have the Alorair Desiccant Dehumidifier 45 litre in stainless steel. Nice big stainless, robust 316 stainless. Two big carrying handles at the top. It's 552 from front edge of the ducting through to the back edge of the ducting. Height is around about 450 to the height of that. Width is 405. We've got our process air in, regen air out, so all very easily labelled. It's very simple. So the set point is 48. Press the down button 40. And obviously if we go above 48 up to 50, it knows to turn itself off. It's on dehumidification mode, so as soon as that gets above, obviously again, so in other words, if we wanted it down to 45 again, or 40, it knows to turn itself on. Gentle start to start off with. Noise levels around about 55 decibels. You can just hear that fan building up. There we go. Air in there, regen air out. So fantastic unit by Alorair. This is the Alorair Desiccant Dehumidifier 45 litre in stainless steel.